Hello, everyone. Welcome back to BOOKAUTOAI YouTube channel. This will be Lucas, and for today, this is gonna be a quick one. For today, I'll show you how to convert from a DOCX into an EPUB. The very important thing about converting this is because you want you want exposure to if you want to upload to Kobo, to Apple Books, right? Draft to digital, Ingram Spark, or any other, you would need your books to be in the right format. Now, if we look under YouTube, right, there is a lot of ways, a lot of great content creator, how to convert to EPUB. There's a lot of people, a lot of content creators showing some really good thing, but a lot of the thing here is pretty manual. Um, and I'll show you a way that we can do that in under 30 seconds. Okay, so let's go to Bookauto AI because you're gonna need this tool, and it's totally free to use. So you don't have to. All you gotta do is just sign up, right? So for today, I want to convert one of my book into EPUB. If you've been following, then you probably see glimpse of these, glimpse of this step inside those previous videos. But I just wanna make a whole video for it because I think this is something that people struggling with. Okay, so I want to convert this book AI for beginner to make money. So I will have to view document first. I will download it as a docx, but just like anything, before you download it, you want to read through it a little bit. You want to understand that the AI is doing its thing in the most correct way, and also, I mean, I've already done all these, so we're just gonna, I'm just gonna show you extra stuff. So zero GPT, are we gonna have to check for AI? That's the first thing. So you want to look at your table content. This is the stuff that people, I mean, that's the stuff that Book AI generate. It formats everything for you already, so you don't have to do that. Italic everything. In this book, a practical guide for people who want to use artificial intelligence to build real online income. The goal is straightforward: move from curiosities to action and clear, repeatable steps. No technical background. Okay, that's how the intro reads. Chapter one, mindset, goal set up. I was in the kitchen table at night. You know the we're mixed life not changing, but prove something. People willing to pay for work have done yet away. Just like double check all the formatting to see if it's if the thing is bold and it's being correct. Like for this right here, the chapter two need a chapter two title, so I would go back here. I will grab a chapter two title from here, and I would just paste it in here and kind of bold it a little. uh, Preferably we're gonna center it, and we're just gonna do that for every chapter title, right? But this is you see, this text is Montserrat, right? So this one is we what this is a normal text. No, this is not a normal text. Yeah, we just gonna make everything the same. So that's what I meant by going back and you know kind of see what's going on a little bit. You know, kind of make it, kind of fix it a little. So that's that. Um, and we're gonna continue to do that for chapter three, chapter four, whatever missing the title, chapter five, or we just gonna take out the title altogether. But everything gonna have to be the same. In this note, I would just take out the chapter title. Okay, so just to make it quicker. But normally I will, spend some time on it. Uh, so kind of do your finishing touch. Most of the time, it's doing its job pretty well. It's nowhere to do its thing. So, but definitely you're gonna have to give a human touch a little bit, you know, because after all, this is an AI assist book. You gotta put in some human work. So that's that. So we're ready. So let me see if I can just show you that all of these are humanized. This is almost a 300-page book, guys. Okay, that's almost a 300-page book. Now the humanization is very important because you want your book to have uh, a long standing in platform. So I prefer anything under 70% AI because you want to tell platform, yeah, this is AI assist book. So that's very important. I always stress that this one is under. So this is good to be labeled as AI assist because you're using AI as a tool and not using AI to publish content. That's basically what it is. And then now we're going inside. Now we will export this as a docx, and then we'll go inside this. I think we have generated a cover for this already. AI for beginner to make money. We need a cover for it because you know you just gotta have a cover for an ebook because places like Kobo and Apple Book or Draft Digital, they require you to have a cover. Um, Anyways, a cover is gonna be a long time, so I'm just gonna use this cover just for this example. And then we go to generate a cover. We did that. Okay. Oops, sorry. I think I hit it wrong. But after that, We're gonna have to go to EPUB converter. This is 100% free. You can download it and use it. So now we just gonna drop in our docx. Drop in our book title. I'm gonna drop in this title. Um, we title and subtitle as well. Author name. Add cover. Now this is where you're gonna add your cover, and then convert the EPUB. And then all you gotta do is just wait. It will do this whole thing, and then it will show you how it's being done. So I will show you if you're just gonna download this as an EPUB. I'll show you the difference that it will make. So this is the EPUB that's being downloaded as a from us directly from a docx, right? So this is how it looks. This is the first page. Actually, okay, it's a show 101, so it's not even giving me the whole thing, right? Sometimes it can be the whole book, and sometimes it doesn't. It's weird. So I don't understand how that works. But anyways, uh, okay. And anyways, if you were downloaded and it worked, then it will look something like this, right? As you see, this is the page one, right? It goes straight into this. This one is okay. And then as you go through the pages, you will see the introduction. It's being like very clunky. It just pop out randomly. So that's not what you want. Maybe the chapter one pop out at the right time, and also as you see that the formatting of the book is like it's very thin and it's very take up space, and that's not professional. And chapter two just pop out randomly when it's supposed to have its own page. So you will see things like that happen if you are not formatting it correctly or by hand. And EPUB formatting is a whole different type of like you know separate thing. So what you want is you want something that can do it for you. So basically what we did is that's what we did. So we're just gonna download EPUB and we're gonna check it out. Now you click on it. As you can see that the page started with a ebook cover, right? Everything have its own page, introduction, and as you can see that it's it it's it taking up spaces. Like I'm saying, like the width is nicely. It feel like something that you can flip through and read, and it kept the ebook format. You know, something you can read nicely on a iPad or whatever. Before you open a tool, draft a pitch, do this first. Treat it like a lab experience. Don't expect to win for. Expect a messy few weeks, a lot of tweak, and some choices you have to sleep on. Think of it like learning to cook for your own self rather than order and take out. You will nail the timing on one day, but you gain confidence each time you burn and adjust. Say it out loud. This is experience. Say it again. That's a different reframe. Changes how you measure success. It's not, did I become rich? Did I learn something? Did I learn something that moved me closer to to the revenue? Keep the horizon reasonable. Small, consistent progress compound, and it reads beautifully. Uh, Everything is, is perfectly format. And look at that. This is something that you can sell for like 7.99 or 9.99 as EPUB, and people would love it because yeah, it's professionally done. Everything it's not really up here. So basically, that's the power of turning your book into an EPUB correctly, and when you upload it to platform, they're gonna love your EPUB, and readers gonna love it as well. And it's been done in like 30 seconds. So, so that's it, guys. So that is how you easily convert doc into an EPUB. All right. It's been great talking to you guys. It's Lucas here. If this video helped you in any other way, I'm making this type of content a couple times a week. Uh, you can always support the channel by hitting the subscribe button. And if this video, again, if this video helped you another way, please give me a like on this video because somehow the YouTube algorithm pushes this to more people. If you give it a like and give it a small comment on the video, greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching it to the very end. Uh, I support your journey. We're gonna be successful together. Uh, Make sure you give the channel a follow and more content coming out soon. It's been Lucas. It's been fun talking to you guys. I'm looking forward to this. And I'll talk to you guys later on the next video. Bye bye.